Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Santosh Mohanty. I'm going to show my yesterday trade. Okay, today is 14th August 2021. I'm going to show my yesterday trade. Okay, and of course I'm going to show my ROI for month of August. Okay, and how much profit I made in a month of August till now, and also I'm going to show my last 7 month profit and losses. Okay, so let's move to the back office. Okay, the console. Okay, uh, let's go to report. Okay, okay, let's first check my last 7 month profit. Okay, my profit for last 7 month. Okay, this is 3.6 lakh profit I have made for last 7.5 month. Okay, and this profit I have generated with the capital of initial capital 4 lakhs. Okay, that I already have mentioned many times. Okay, now come to the month of August. Month of August, how much I made in the month of August. Okay, this you can see the profit I have generated in the month of August, and I'm doing trading every single day. There are 2 days where I made losses. This is 880, this is 600. Okay, 18,000 profit. Okay, 10,000 profit, 80 loss, 5,000 profit, 14,000 profit, 15,000 profit, 6,000, 630 profit, 618 loss, and 11,000 profit. Just refresh. Okay, this is the profit I made for this month. Okay, August month till now. Okay, in two expiry, two weeks. Okay, and of course we won't discuss my yesterday trade. I can't discuss other trade. Okay, for last 1 week, because I'm creating video for last 1 week, because of my busy schedule, office and work. And anyway, I'm going to show my trade. Yesterday trade. Okay, this profit I have generated with a capital of 4.5 lakh. Okay, I have if you check my previous video, I mentioned I starting the capital with 4.5 lakh for the August series. Okay, this is how much I made. Okay, so let's go to yesterday trade. How much I made yesterday? Okay, 13th. Okay, how much I made yesterday, and my trades. Okay, this is how much I made yesterday. Okay, this is how much I made yesterday. Okay, I have taken trade Aurobindo Pharma, GM Pfaudler, GNFC. 3 trade I have taken, and all 3 are in profit. Okay, so let's go to discuss my trade. Okay, first is Oro Pharma. Oro Pharma. Oro Pharma. My total quantity is, I've taken 600. I sorted here, and this level I just wait. Okay, this level I have shorted, and I kept my stop loss here. Okay, that is 300 quantity, and once it break the height, daily day low, again I added another 300 quantity, total 600 quantity. And then initially my SL was here, then I trial my SL here. Okay, and then when Oro Pharma started falling, okay, then I slowly shifted my sell here. Somehow here I have exited the trade. Okay, and that is how I have made 9,600 in Oro Pharma. Second trade. Okay, let me discuss why I take the trade. Okay, I've taken the trade. If you look the daily chart of Oro Pharma, look here, this was a support for Oro Pharma. Was a very strong support, and it was not expected this is going to break this support level. Okay, and yesterday it broke this support level. In fact, another support is here. Okay, So when it broke the support level, I mean it opened, I mean the previous support level in Oro Pharma, then I decided to go short in Oro Pharma. That is the reason I have decided to go short in Oro Pharma. Okay. uh, then go to the next trade. uh, GM Fodular. GM Fodular. Okay. The reason is same why I taking the trade. This is support level from GM Fodular, and it was support from last, I mean 2.5 months. It was working as a support. Okay, and when I saw it is broke the today is previous swing support. Okay, so I have taken the trade. Okay, so I've taken the trade. So the moment this is the level. Okay, here I have taken the trade when I found the multi. Just go to the 51 time frame. Yeah, this is the entry. Okay, here I have taken the entry. This is the line I have marked in my chart. When this line taken out, I have taken the entry, and then after breaking the low, it again reverse back, and with small profit, I come out of the trade, and there is I have made only 480 rupees. Third is GNFC. Okay, GNFC. It was a scalping trade. Okay, somehow here in this level I've taken entry, exit almost here. Okay, it's a very small trade. I taken a small quantity. It is scalping trade and discretionary. Okay, so when I made a profit in Oro Pharma and GM Fodular, then I decided to take a risk of 2000. GNFC. So it worked out for me. It was scalping trade and no logic here. Just I saw it is it was trading previous day high, and the volume was there. So that is the reason I taken the trade. Okay, so that's all. I have taken these three trade yesterday, and there are some other trades, option selling. Okay, small trade in option selling. Okay, small profit. Currency also small profit yesterday. Okay, fine. So I just don't want to go to currency and option selling part. Okay. So this is my equity trade where I made 10,000, close to 10,500 after brokerage. Okay, and now my total profit for this month is 72,000 after brokerage. Okay, I made 81,000, and after brokerage it is 72,000, and it is close to let's calculate what is the percentage of ROI. Calculator. 72,000 divided by 4,50,000. This is the my initial capital 4,50,000 that I've started for this August series. I mentioned my previous videos also. Okay, in 200, it is close to 16%. Okay, this is close to 16% ROI that I've generated, and as I mentioned many times that my monthly target is 10%, because I'm a part-time trader, and I'm working for a large MNC. So I do trading for a part-time, and if I make it anything 10% above, it's fantastic for me. So anyway, I managed to get 16% ROI in 2 weeks. So already I've achieved the target. So let's see how far I can go in coming 2 weeks. Okay, so for you guys I can refresh it. Okay, and again I am telling you, repeating the same fact, and profit can be made in trading. Okay, especially intraday. And people do say if you are a trader, you need to do option selling only to make money. That is true, but in trading also, like understanding the price action, support, resistance, you can also make money. And I already I told you, I have all this profit I have made uh, from equity for intraday cash stock, cash and futures F&O stock, 3.6 lakhs I have made already. through just identifying support resistance, breaking the all time support resistance, or breaking this all time support according to the trade. And that is how this is profit can be generated. People always says, if you're trading in cash you're going to lose money. That is not true. Yes, it's difficult, okay, but it's not impossible, because if I can do, then anybody can do it, okay. And it's not again, I'm not doing option selling. I'm doing option selling in my another account. One day I will show that account also, okay. That is purely for option selling, and the capital is large. And this account especially, I do intraday trades, especially cash stock, okay. Just using my price action concept, support resistance, okay. So that's all, guys, okay. So just to show my profit, just to make you believe that you can make money in trading, okay. And by option selling, if you're doing option selling, there is high probability can make money. But in equity, it is really tough, but still there is a possibility you can make money. And ROI of course is going to be better here, equity, in comparison to option selling. So profit can be made. If I can make profit, so anybody can make profit. It's just a matter of practice, practice and practice, nothing else, okay. So that's all for the day. So hope you have enjoyed the videos, okay. Thanks for your time, okay. If you like my content, please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for your time.